Hello, may I audible? May I audible?
Yes, ma'am, audible.
Okay. Wait for 5 minutes, then we will start our session. Okay.
Have
27 participants admitted. Wait for a minute. Okay. Wait for 5 minutes, then we will start the session. 3:10. We will wait for only 3:10. Otherwise, we will start the session. Only break. Okay. How many student recap of our first chapter and second chapter? If you want to recap our first chapter, second chapter, half, or we move forward to our program. Function part. We will start our function part. Tell me if you are ready to function. We'll move forward to for function chapter, function point. Yes, anyone tell me a recap of conditional statement or looping statement. Yes. तुम्ही बोलल्याशिवाय मला कसं कळणार? तुम्हाला रिपीट पाहिजे आहे का? Last lecture we will conduct the two most important conditional statement and looping statement. Okay. Yes. If you want to repeat once again. Yes. Please mute yourself, Sonali. Yes. Tell me if you want to repeat, then also tell me. Please repeat, madam. Okay, no problem. We will repeat it for you. Yes. Okay, we will repeat our second chapter. What is our second chapter? We will start our second chapter. Yes. Then we will move forward. What will study until now? Okay. Then we will move forward to our function. Okay. My screen is visible to all. Yes. After the 2 week gap, we will start the lecture. Yes. My voice is clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we will start the short theory. I will explain the short theory for you. Okay. We will discuss in second unit introduction to Python construct. Okay. They're having the point of data type, variables, collection of data type, control structures, and looping statement. Okay. And henceforth we will remain. Function part is remain and then lambda. Okay. Only starting point we will discuss in last 2 weeks before the 2 week. Okay. Then we will start our session. All of you, we will start the session. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. What is mean by data type? It is mean by classification, categorization of data items. Means whatever, if your data having the integer, float, character, yes, that's like data type means they're having the sum of the they're having the sum of the type. Yes, means you are the female. Yes, I am the female. Yes, this is my data type. हे माझं ओरिजिनल डेटा टाईप आहे. तसं सी लँग पायथॉन मध्ये डेटा टाईप मीन्स प्रत्येक प्रोग्रामला त्यांचा एक प्रत्येक डेटा टाईप असतो. ओके. प्रत्येक लँग्वेज मध्ये डिक्लेअर करताना आपण एक डेटा टाईप यूज करतो. म्हणजे इंडिकेट इट इज इंटिजर व्हॅल्यू, इट इज अ फ्लोट व्हॅल्यू और इट इज अ character value, characters, string. Okay, this is mean by string. Yes, data type means what? Classification. If it is categorization of data item, means it is an integer, float, character, string. Yes. For example, a is equal to 5 means 5, it is an integer value held by a. Okay. Next one, data type means what? Where every variable associated with data type. Okay. Means what? If you are having the 10, 20, 35, 40, yes, means they are having the variable. म्हणजे ते एक व्हरायबल झाले. ओके. आणि ते व्हरायबल कसे आहेत? कोणत्या डेटा टाईपचे आहेत? कोणत्या डेटा टाईपचे आहेत? इंटिजर आहे, फ्लोट आहे, बुलियन आहे. Already we will perform the practical of this part. Yes, all of you perform it for your own. Yes, तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी परफॉर्म केलेत का प्रॅक्टिकल हे? येस और नो? Hello, please give me reply in Marathi also. No any problem. Aishwarya, Supriya, Priyanka Lendve. Yes. Yes, this is mean by every variable associated with their data type. Means it is an integer value, it is a float value, or it is Boolean value. Boolean value means it is a true or otherwise it is false. Okay. and next one string. Okay. Next one, collection data type. All of you see this figure. All of you see this diagram. It is a numeric, integer, complex number, float. Okay. Then they're having the dictionary, boolean, set. And next one, sequence type. Sequence type, they're having strings, list, and tuples. Okay. They're having the collection of data type. Means which type of your data you should be stored in your program. It is a numeric type, it is a complex type, or it is a string type or list type. Okay. Yes, anyone ready to perform the practical of data type, collection data type? Yes. Yes, anyone interest to do program? Yes. Yes. No anyone want to perform the program? Why? Yes, any one student, at least one student in both division, at least one student do it the program of data type. Only hardly 5 to 10 minutes are remaining. Yes. Hello. Hello, please give me reply. Sonali, Supriya, Shreya, Amruta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Please give me reply. Yes, anyone want to perform the practical? Yes. Okay. If it is okay for you, 5 p.m. 5 p.m. collection of data type. You do it practical of collection of data type, numeric, dictionary, and boolean set sequence type. Okay. Is it okay? ESL3 in WhatsApp group, you send me the program screenshot. Okay. It is better. Vaishnavi, Aishwarya, and all of you send me ESL3 group. Already we will open it for you. Okay. Yes. Yes or no?
Okay, ma'am.
काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे का माझ्यामध्ये काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे का काय म्हणजे तुम्हाला काय वाटतंय तुम्ही रिप्लाय का देत नाहीये yes then we will move forward sequence type okay all of you know about how to string declaration list declaration and tuple is immutable okay next one set it is also an ordered collection of data type dictionary yes it is a key value pair yes and what is mean by variable okay roll number B34 no okay anybody tell me in Marathi what is mean by variable already you study in C yes then tell me what is mean by variable in see here this figure explain everything yes yes or no yes or no yes or no please give me reply Yes or no? Tell me in Marathi, what is meant by variables? Yes. Some of the values, some of the data will be stored in specific variables. Okay. This is meant by variable. Okay. If it is having the student, yes, but they're having some of the name, some of the roll number, some of the detail in student, yes or no? This is a TY student or SY, like this, yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. Very good. Huh. Means whenever your data will be stored in specific variables, this is meant by variables. Okay. Then next part, it will move. All of you see this diagram. A variable should be stored 10 value. Okay. Then B variable should be stored 20 value. Yes. Then we will move Python tokens. Okay. They're having the 4 pillars of Python tokens. Yes. In this 4 pillar, we will create the Python program. मीन्स ओनली पायथॉन प्रोग्राम नाही क्रिएट करत, आपण सगळे प्रोग्राम हे 4 पिलर यूज करूनच करतो. ओके. ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड? येस. हे 4 पिलर यूज करूनच आपण सगळे प्रोग्राम करतो. येस और नो? सी मध्ये तुम्ही कीवर्ड यूज करू शकता. येस. कीवर्ड यूज केल्याशिवाय आपण पुढे जाऊ शकत नाही. येस. येस और नो? Yes. Then identifier, then literals, and then operators. Okay. Then keywords. Keywords means a special reserved word. Okay. It is not used for variable storing. We will not use for variable store. Okay. आणि ते कीवर्ड असतात ते ग्रीन कलर मध्ये येतात, त्यावेळेला आपण यूज करतो पायथॉन मध्ये. ओके. येस. Then identifier, we will start the underscore. We will run the program using underscore method. Okay. But identifier is a case sensitive. First letter should not be digit. Okay. Then literals, we will store a is equal to hello world. We will constant value will be stored. Yes. Then operator, all of you know about arithmetic operator, comparison operator, assignment operator, logical operator, and bitwise operator. Okay. Then control structure. Okay. All of you tell me, मला सांगा आपण किती प्रोग्राम बघितले कंट्रोल स्ट्रक्चरचे? Yes. Yes. Please remind me how many programs we will complete in today, till today. Yes, because we will start our yes. Tell me. Rahul, Pranav, Aniket, Saili, Sonam. All of you know about Fibonacci series? Yes. तुम्ही जोपर्यंत रिप्लाय देत नाही मी तोपर्यंत पुढे जातच नाही. We will not start our next point. Yes. Only Meenakshi give me reply in our chat box. Except when Meenakshi, I want to accept all of you. Please unmute yourself and speak up, because of after 2 weeks we will start our lecture. Tell me how many program we will complete till now. Then we will move forward. Okay. फिबोनाची सिरीजचा ओव्हर झाला का? नाही ना? फिबोनाची सिरीज घेतला नाही ना अजून? Save as fib.py. Okay, save this file. All of you know about what is the logic of Fibonacci series? Yes? Tell me in Marathi, no problem.
Depend on for loop.
Depend on for loop. Yes, but write it like this. Write the command. Write a program. Fibonacci series. Okay. Yes, but like this. All of you see this screen? It is visible?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. It is addition of previous two number. Okay. Yes, very good. Suppose series like this: 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3 and 3, so on. Okay. Then 0, it is your first digit. Yes. Then plus 1. Like this. 0 plus 1. Like this. 0 plus 1, 1. Okay. Then next one, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Yes. Then 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Yes. Am I correct? Boys. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Then the first we will see the logic. Okay. Then we will move for loop in Python. Already you learn it in C. Yes. Opening bracket, closing bracket. Then so Fibonacci series logic. Okay. We will complete the Python program only 4 line. Okay. Then having no need. First we will see the logic. Okay. First is equal to 0. म्हणजे आपण दोन कंडिशन, दोन व्हॅल्यू स्टोअर करणार आहे, तरच आपल्याला नेक्स्ट व्हॅल्यू मिळणार आहे. येस और नो? येस. एम आय करेक्ट? दोन व्हॅल्यू स्टोअर करावे लागणार. फर्स्ट अलोकेट करावे लागणार की नाही? येस और नो?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then first we will store 0th location. Okay, 0 value. Then second we will store 1 value. Yes. Then we will take the next value. Next value घ्यायची. पण त्यासाठी आपलं लॉजिक काय आहे? 0 plus 1 म्हणजे काय? फर्स्ट अँड सेकंड. नेक्स्ट काय आपल्याला मिळणार? नेक्स्ट व्हॅल्यू. ओके. त्यासाठी आपल्याला काय करावं लागणार? नेक्स्ट इज इक्वल टू first plus second. ओके, ही आपली कंडिशन झाली. येस और नो? ही आपली कंडिशन झाली. फर्स्ट प्लस सेकंड. येस. 0 प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Okay. Yes. Understood this much part? Yes. सगळ्यांना समजलं का हे हा पॉइंट? येस. अजून प्रोग्राम मध्ये आपण गेलो नाहीये, आपल्याला प्रोग्राम मध्ये जायचंय. आपण अजून लॉजिक क्लिअर करतोय. ओके. येस. देन नेक्स्ट we will write it correct logic. Okay. Next is equal to first plus second. Yes, we will write it second here. Then we will write it first. Okay. First is equal to swap. Swapping चा प्रोग्राम आपण सगळ्यांनी केलेला होता. ओके. We will done it the swapping program. Yes. Then we will swap the two number. Okay. First into second. Then second is equal to next. Okay. म्हणजे काय? First plus second third. Okay. Then second नंतर कुठे जाणार? Next ला जाणार. म्हणजे next ची व्हॅल्यू प्रिंट होणार. Yes. This much logic for Fibonacci series. Okay. Then we will move forward to write first is equal to 0. आपण हेच लॉजिक इथं वापरणार आहे. ओके. इथे सेम. All of you listen carefully. First and then second is equal to 1. Then print the two value. Print the two number. Okay. Print it first. Then second. Print it second. Second. Okay. Then run it. Run the module. Okay. End of the line of scanning string is literal. Okay. Will not write it any statement. Only we will print it. Okay. Then we will write it here. For loop for I in range function. Then allocated आपण 2 digit allocated केलेत. कशासाठी? फर्स्ट साठी and second साठी 2 digit allocated केलेत. 0 and 1. Then we will start our range 2, 10. Okay. Then colon, write it here. Next is equal to first plus second. Okay. Then first is equal to second. Then second is equal to next. Okay. Then we will print next. Okay. Save this line. Run this module. By end of the line is missing. Okay. Save this program. Run the module. Why like this command is printed here? No, all are correct. Where we wrong here? Okay, wait for a minute. We will run it in another notebook. Jupyter notebook, open it. While like this message update here. Wait for a minute. Save this. Open it. Okay, and save this file as a save as desktop fif1.py. Save this file, run this module. Indentation error. Okay. Save this file and run it once again. Okay, all of you see this screen? Why it is error occur here? Because indentation error. Yes, we will write it here, suppose here. Then also we got it error. Yes. Then check it once again. Whatever you write it in your program, write it in correct way. Okay. 0, 1. Suppose I want to pass here 50. Then write it, save this file and run it once again. Then what happened here? Check it. Check it. All 2 to 50, 5050. Fibonacci series print. Okay. Yes, all of you understood this much part? Yes. All of you see this screen? Yes. Yes or no? Please give me reply. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Boys side also give me reply. Then also we will discuss it further. Okay. And even odd number 100 digit print 100 digit. Yes, it is our program or not over program? Tell me. If it is not over, then we will complete it today. Hundred digit. We will find the even odd number. Yes, all of you complete this program or no? Yes. 100 digit चे आपल्याला even number find out करायचे and odd number. All of you know about the logic of even odd number? Yes. Aishwarya, Meenakshi, Swati. All of you speak up because of their having no any learning purpose. This subject for your learning purpose. Okay. Especially for you guys, because of it is a most grooming subject in right now, Python. All of you having so much bright career in future if you learn in deep in Python. Yes. आणि प्लीज इंटरॅक्टिव्ह व्हा, काहीच प्रॉब्लेम नाहीये. इफ यू want anything help to me, then I am tried to help you. Okay, I am not tell the confirm to solve your problem, but I will try it to solve. Yes, please speak up, because of only 6 of 7 months is remaining. Or speak up. Yes. Then we will move forward to evening. इव्हनिंगचा इव्हन आणि ऑड नंबरचा प्रोग्राम झाल्यासारखं वाटतोय मला. तुम्ही सांगा झालाय का तो प्रोग्राम मला, कारण की मला आठवत नाहीये. मला फक्त मला आठवत नाही की मी प्रॅक्टिकलला तो घेतलाय की नाही. येस, लॉजिक इज करेक्ट. व्हेरी नाईस मीनाक्षी. मीनाक्षी A16. येस, व्हेरी नाईस. मी घेतलाय का तो प्रोग्राम एकदा तरी? तुम्हाला घेतला असेल तर सांगा. येस, ओके. मी सांगितलेलं करायला. ओके ओके. Then how many student you should be try yourself to solve the problem even odd number? Yes. किती जणांनी ट्राय केला सॉल्व करायचा प्रॉब्लेम? Okay, no problem. We will solve here. Okay. Using for loop, we will print even number and odd number. Okay. For number, all of you see my screen. It is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. For number in range. आता मला इवन ऑड नंबर किती डिजिटचे काढायचे? 1 to 100. Okay. My task is find the even number to 1 to 100 digit. Okay. Then we will write it here. If num modulo 2, then 0 0 0, then print num. Okay, then print it here. Num is equal to num plus 1. Okay, save this file. Save it this program. Okay, run this module. Yes, all of you see this screen. This is your cell. Yes, even odd number, even number. 1, 2, 4, 6, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 24, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38. Yes, all of you understood? And only I want odd number in this digit. Okay, then what will be print here? Boys side. I want to answer for boys side. What will be do here? Very simple. Yes. only print it here, not equals to. Save this file, run this module, run current script. Okay, and all of you see this 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27. Yes, this is your odd number. Yes, all of you understood this much part? Yes? Yes or no? Please give me
Yes, ma'am.
reply. Huh. Okay, then we will move forward forward to our next point. Python function. Okay, then all of you perform our two program in today's session, Fibonacci series and even odd number 1 to 100 digit. Yes, then you find out even odd number to 100 and 1 to 200. ओके, मी काय सांगते आता इवन ऑड नंबर फाइंड आउट करायचे, पण मला 1 ते 100 मधले नाहीत, 101 ते 200. Yes, if it is comfortable to you, perform two program. Yes, yes or no? तुम्ही सगळेजण रेडी आहात की नाही?
Yes, ma'am.
येस, फिबोनाची सिरीजचा आणि इवन ऑड नंबरचा. ओके, next one, Python function. Don't miss the point of Python function in tomorrow session. We will continue our Python function in tomorrow session because of okay, yes, because of there having so many point theory part is remaining. Then we will cover it for today lecture. Okay, yes, don't miss any lecture. Okay, it is very helpful for you. Don't miss it. Yes, all of you understood this much part of today's session? Yes, anyone having any problem, then tell me, because of we will move forward function part. Yes, कुणाला काहीच प्रॉब्लेम नाहीये? And don't miss any session. Okay, don't miss any session. B34. Everybody understood what is our second unit? Data type variables, collection data type, control structure, loop. Yes? Okay, wait for 5 minutes. Okay. Yes, sorry for late. Yes, anyone having any problem in today's session? Yes, program. All of you understood the program part? Yes. Okay, then we will start our presentation. Okay. Tell me your role. Start your presentation. TYA. 1. All of you, start your presentation. 1.
1 absent 2.
A. We will start the presentation of A division. 1 is absent. Okay. 2,
Present.
3. 3. 3 is absent. Okay. 4,
Yes, ma'am.
5,
Present, ma'am.
6, 6, 6, absent. 7, 7, 8,
Present, ma'am.
9,
Present, ma'am.
10, 10, 11,
Present.
12,
Present, ma'am.
13,
Present, ma'am.
14,
Present, ma'am.
15, 15, 16,
Present, ma'am.
17,
Present, ma'am.
18,
Present, ma'am.
19,
Present.
20,
Present, ma'am.
21, 21 is present. Okay. 22,
Present, ma'am.
23, 23, 24, 24, absent. 25,
Present,
25,
Present, ma'am.
26, 26, 26, absent. 27,
Yes, ma'am.
28, 28, absent. 29,
Present, ma'am.
30,
Present, ma'am.
31, 31, 32, 31 present, 32 present, 33,
Present.
34, 34 is present or not? 34, 34 roll number. 35, 35, 35, 36,
Present, ma'am.
37,
Yes, madam.
38, 38, 38 absent, 4, 39, 39, 40,
Present, ma'am.
41, 41, 41 present. 42, 42. राहुल नहीं, राहुल बी डिवीजन है. 42 absent. 43, 43, 44,
Present, ma'am.
45,
Present, ma'am.
46,
Present.
47,
Present, ma'am.
48, 48, 48. Okay. 49, 49, 50, 50, 51, 51 is present. 52, A 52. Okay. TYB. A1,
Present, ma'am.
2,
Present, ma'am.
3, present. 4,
Present, ma'am.
5,
Present, ma'am.
6, 6, absent. 7,
Present.
8,
Present, ma'am.
9, 9, 10, 10. Eleven, 11, 12,
Yes, ma'am.
13,
Present, ma'am.
14,
Yes, ma'am.
15,
Yes, ma'am. 15 present.
16,
Present, ma'am.
17, 17, absent. 18,
Present.
19, 19,
Present, ma'am.
20.
Yes, ma'am.
Aniket, what is your problem? 38 roll number. Roll number. Yes. You are present. 21,
Present, ma'am.
22,
Present, ma'am.
23,
Yes, ma'am.
24, 24, 25, 25, 26, 26, fast. 26, 27,
Present, ma'am.
28,
Present.
29, 29, 30,
Present, ma'am.
1,
Present, ma'am.
32, 32, absent. 33, 33, 34, 34, 35, 36,
Yes, madam.
37, 37,
Yes, madam. Yes,
30,
madam.
38,
Yes, madam.
39,
Yes, madam.
40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 41, 41, 42,
Yes, madam.
43, 43, 44, 44, 44 is absent. Okay. 45, 45, 46, 46, 47, 48, 48, 49, and 50.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Absent roll number for the TYA division. 1, 3, 6, 7, 10, 15, 21, 23, 24, 26, 28, 31, 34, 35, 39, 42, 43, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. Right now, student is present. Anyone present here? Okay, TYB. Absent roll number 6, 9, 11, 17, 24, 25, 29, 32, 33, 34, 35, 41, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Yes? Anyone present here? Yes? No. Okay. Thank you very much. Session is wait for a minute. Yes, anyone having any absenteeism? This is absent roll number. It is correct? CR. Anyone present here? Tell me. Yes? This is the absent roll number is correct or not? B42, B12. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. You are having good day, good session. Okay. The session is over. Thank you very much. Okay.